needed it and we couldn't do it. And my daughter turned our name in for this contest and we won.
We're fortunate enough to be able to give back to the community, so we're giving a free roof away every month for the whole year to either a veteran or a first responder.
I think it's incredible. I think that veterans are overlooked in our country, and I think that you got a young man who served in Vietnam and gave everything so that we could have an opportunity to thrive. And as a veteran, giving back to another veteran, I just think it's incredible.
They just told me today that they're going to do my windows. That is unbelievable.
We've seen the condition of the windows, and we're as bad as the roof, if not maybe worse. And with the rising energy costs, this is going to save him a lot, so he can put more money towards food and everything else that he needs for his family.